Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace the strike for the top on your range. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect power to the range. So either pull it far enough forward that you can unplug it, or locate your electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuses. Once we've done that, we can start the repair. Now that we have the power disconnected to the range, our next step will be to remove the main top so that we can do this repair. It's held in place with 2 1/4-inch hex head screws that come up from the bottom and secure it to the oven body. To remove those, we'll need to open up the upper door and simply take those 2 screws out. Now with the 2 screws removed from the front, we're simply going to lift up on that top, and we'll need to support it with enough room that we can get in underneath to access the screw that holds that strike in place. So you either have somebody hold it for you or support it with either a wooden block, and then we can take out that screw. This is typically a Phillips screw that secures that strike. Remove the defective one and discard it. Locate the new one, and we just need to make sure that we insert that tab into the slotted opening on the top of the side panel. Line up the screw hole. And secure it. Now that will line up with a corresponding opening in the bottom of the main top to hold it straight. We can then remove our support block, lower the top down, make sure it sits over top of that strike, and then we're ready to reinstall the 2 retaining screws underneath the front. We're now ready to push the oven back into place, reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.